Hola amigos, we are the Roots. In this vlog we are sharing with you the ups and downs of our mission to travel and experience as much from life as possible. Please join us on this our journey. So, Mr. Root, where are we up to now?
On today's episode, we're continuing with the skinning of the bus. This time it's the driver's side, and yes, a whole lot more rivets.
Hola, Mr. Root, how you doing?
Hi. Wonderful day today.
Yeah, I heard you ate shed the other day. Tell me what happened.
Yeah, I fell from the bus.
Oh my God.
Hanging a sheet of metal, pushed too hard on the drill, and basically fell from way up there.
From up there to down there.
So we sheeted most of the bus in the past couple days. All the way.
Both sides.
Both sides. We're working our way forward. We have one more piece here and one more piece on the other side. That'll be all the final bits of flat sheeting before we start working on the transition.
Good. So we're finishing these two panels today.
Yes. So it's starting to either look like an airplane or a submarine. I can't really tell you what yet.
What tank?
Or a tank.
An oversized tank.
Yeah. It's kind of Mad Max-ish.
Yes.
So, needless to say, we're going to do what we can to get this done and sheet it today.
Yes.
We got a piece here and a piece there.
And that's because I'm having a hand surgery next week, and we just need to hold us right now.
Right.
We have a goal, right? By the end of this year.
We're going to have everything sheeted, primered, hopefully painted. The solar deck will be done, and possibly even the rear party deck will be done.
Yes.
So, let's get busy with this.
Let's get busy. Rock and roll.
All right.
Chop, chop.
So, what I'm doing,
Okay, what are you doing?
I'm using a center punch.
Okay.
And what that does, it makes a little tiny dimple. Okay. Makes a little tiny dimple right in the center. Except it doesn't want to work anymore.
Great. That way you can do what?
So that centers the drill.
We are kind of having a repeat history for what we did 100 times, right?
Okay, how many rivets are in this bus? I'm looking at 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 per web.
Okay.
Times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10.
That's the amount of time we did this back a year ago.
No, that's just the top row.
Oh God. Yeah, that's 1,000 rivets that we drilled and we did this last year.
Then there's the bottom row. That's just for the stuff that's in the hat channel. Times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 18 deep, almost 20 deep per web. Times.
It was brutal.
Oh, it's thousands of rivets
yes.
by the time you're done.
Hey, Mr. Root, we did it.
Yes, we did.
Show us, Mr. Ru, what happened?
So what we did is we did all the final sheeting, except for the front transition
And the back transition.
and the rear transition. But all the straight sheets are done. We even put the rub rail in.
That thing.
So all these have been glued into place. All these lap seams have been glued into place.
We run out of rivets.
We ran out of rivets. We ran out of 3/16 and we ran out of quarters. So this whole entire section is sheeted with the rub rail in place.
Awesome.
So we're good to go. This thing is solid. Solid as can be.
Like a tank. Wow.
So Darren's over there doing the last bit of drilling for that rub rail.
Yep.
I'm not quite sure what he's got going on.
No idea.
He's getting crazy with the pair of pliers. So what we're going to do is we're going to get another piece of this corrugated metal here.
Which we have it inside already. It's there.
It's going to span here. So then we're going to get a piece of rub rail for here, a piece for here, and a piece for here. Nobody will ever even know that this was an emergency escape.
Yep.
And then we're going to finish putting the rub rail all the way across.
Okay.
Once all that's done, which is soon to be, we still have to get some rivets in place, but once all that's done, the rub rail's in place, we're going to start cutting holes for the windows.
Okay.
Cool?
Yes. Good job. We did good today.
Yeah.
It was awesome. How many hours took us to do those two?
These sheets that we thought were only 3 hours and 40 minutes apiece,
Yes.
those two sheets took just as much time.
3 hours.
And they're half as big.
Yes. But they are done.
You
It's
understand.
done.
They told you to be more technical. Now the transition,
Yeah.
that's where it's going to take time because every single piece has to be fit, just like shingles. You start low, you work your way up, and then the top is the cap.
Okay.
Are we still on camera?
What?
Are we still on camera?
Yes, you're still on camera.
So I can't pick my nose.
No, you cannot pick your nose.
All right.
Okay.
But
It looks awesome.
if you look at the rivets, you can see where the windows go.
Yep.
It's kind of funny.
Window. Window, window, window.
So, window.
Yeah.
Yep.
So where there's like lines are right here.
Those horizontals, yes.
Yep. Looking awesome. Good job, babe. Good job.
Yay, team. Thank you for hanging out with us today. Please give us a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. And until next time, hasta luego, amigos.